We all need it.
Humans!
Animals. Plants.
Even microorganisms.
Unfortunately, it cannot be accessed by everyone.
And for some people, what they can't access isn't clean, safe, or palatable.
And though it is a major concern, you shouldn't worry because there are many solutions and we help figure them out.
But before we get into solutions and how you can help, let's first understand the problem.
The National Academy of Engineering, or NAE for short, put together a team of professionals and requested they make a list of challenges, all of which are target points for future engineers, scientists, doctors, and even educators, and what they would need to focus on to help make the world better for tomorrow.
To name a few, making solar energy economical, managing the nitrogen cycle, and developing carbon sequestration methods.
But the grand challenge we're going to focus on is providing access to clean water.
On NAE website, it states that about 1 out of 6 people around the world do not have adequate access to water.
What does that mean?
Well, you know how we can go to the faucet and fill up a cup of water or simply grab a bottle of water from the store?
Yeah.
That's not the case around the world. Some countries have to limit the amount of water people use weekly or daily. Some women and children have to miss work and school to walk miles and miles to get water for their families, making it seem as a luxury rather than the basic life essential that it is.
Wow, that's not cool.
It sure isn't. And in addition to that, more than double that number lack basic water purification.
Water purification?
Yes, water purification.
Here, when we use water to drink, wash our dogs, water the lawn, or anything else, it goes through a purification system that takes out all the impurities that could make the water look or taste bad, or maybe even make us really sick. So, in other places in the world, you see why the lack of water purification poses a big problem.
A big problem? That sounds like a huge problem.
Indeed it is.
Well, why do we have so much water and they don't?
Well, our technology and general infrastructure is better than theirs, but there's a lot of people working on that.
Like who?
Engineers!
By definition, engineering is the application of science and math to help make matter and energy useful to people, and engineers are the people who do it.
To be specific, environmental engineers focus on air, soil, water, and other things to make sure the environment is safe not only for you and me,
but for the generations of the future.
But I don't get it. Why is environmental engineering important?
It is important because we only have one Earth, and we haven't treated it as well as we should have. That is the reason some water sources are polluted. However, environmental engineers are working to clean up our messes and improve the quality of life for everyone. That is the reason why we need sustainable and innovative solutions moving forward.
It takes a lot of hard work, but can be rewarding and exciting. And as long as you're creative, good in math and science, and have integrity, you could be an environmental engineer.
Creative, good in math and science,
Yeah.
have integrity.
Yeah.
I got about 2.3 of those, but with a little bit more hard work, I could get there. So how do I become one?
I suggest AUT. Can I get it at Geek Pride?
At Geek Pride!
Established in 1968, North Carolina A&T College of Engineering has developed many engineers in a variety of disciplines. Now in McNair Hall, we continue to do the same. Environmental engineering is housed with the civil and architectural engineering disciplines, and many courses are offered.
The professors are great. They all have an abundance of knowledge and are willing to help whenever you need it.
With over 1,000 students in the entire college, you'll have no problem making friends and meeting study buddies, especially in A&T's student chapter of the American Society of Civil Engineers. In club meetings, we learn information about civil and environmental engineering, potential jobs, and fun stuff too, like community service, group outings, and conference.
I've definitely made up my mind.
You have?
Yeah, I'm gonna go to A&T, study environmental engineering, and clean water for those who need it.
That's good.
Yeah. Oh, I gotta go. I got practice to get to, so I'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Did anybody know who that was or where he came from?
No. Yeah.
It takes a lot of hard work.